Citation. Uh, Hive you could have a honey hope hinty to war. Which should hope war you chose an ambassador an engineer by lower chef or honey hot explain. Um, what hotbed tell us how you have had it what's important for you. Height look have it have honey hope heighten high wall he would I would like to be a physical education teacher high teen tech uh, because I like to contribute to development development of psychosocial abilities and studies of various levels. I think the most important job I ever had was working in Haishan store. Éxito. I think this is because for the first time I worked as professional. I made Harriet and took responsibility for her work team.